flash. Okay, it's since 9:32. 37 millimeters of rain have fallen right here. Okay. Whoa, flash. Looks like just a bit south of here. Wow. It's over there, it's south of here. Yeah, about 3.5 kilometers. Looks like moving very slowly. Wow. Very close to the direction. Okay, heading east on 715. Catching up with the storm. Listening for thunder. Just now there has been a very nice CG from the Enro, just behind the storm. About 5 kilometers from here. I can see the black clouds in front of me with heavy rain. There are a few flashes. This one was the first CG. The storm is moving eastwards towards the shore. It's not fast enough to escape, so... Wow. This was nice. About 6 kilometers from here. Enter cloud flashes above me. They have a great view from the bridge. Now there should be a strike to see. See, it's very nice from here. Some nice CGs in here. Lots of flashes in that area where the camera is pointing now. Wow. Multiple flashes, it's a strong storm. Wow. It's like a cloud formation just above me are interesting. Probably quite a windy storm. Looks like it's getting over the sea. I think it's more over the water now, but there are like two just populated, one to the left of me and one in front of me. There's some heavy rain just in front of me. Wow! This was a very close strike. I wasn't that close, about 2 kilometers. Pretty intense, so like through the water. Very heavy rain. Back on with the car right now. I don't know where most of the strikes are, just above me or meters. Already going into water, I think. I will stop when it's possible. Just get an orientation where most of the activity is, whether it's here or whether I've further past it. Actually, I think it's still to the south of me, which is to the right of me. Yeah, almost started in the cloud. Right in front of me is the ocean. It's right in front of me. Most of the flashes. And to the right as well. It's more to the right of me. So I'm gonna go south. Wow, so many flashes at the same time. Trying to tell here if there is a better place to watch. Wow. I'm not sure whether it's all within the cloud or... It looks like it's offshore. And those are strikes between the clouds and the water. So I should get to a place where I can stop and look over the ocean. Whoa, nice CG in front of you. Yeah, there. Wow, nice CG into water. Let's go to the shore. Where the boat comes. Fishes are most of the right one. Lots of water in here. Pretty strong pouring here. There's quite a few flashes. Far southwest, but there hasn't been. I'm just trying to get to that boat ramp where I can stop on the shore. I didn't say how far it is, still says it's like straight. Wow. Yes, reasonably good view. Nice flashes. This thunder is very strong. It was about 3 kilometers from here, and I could feel like how it was shaking the ground. Wow, 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 wow. Such a long and multiple CG. And most of the tracks are within the cloud. You can hear it. Occasionally there is one pretty strong CG. This is like CG as well. Maybe I should go a bit to the north because track activity seems to be mostly over there. From here I can see just the flashes. Sounds like CG's is sort of deep thunder, so I'm gonna move east, north, because I'm looking west now, so I'm gonna head north. Wow, wow, this was nice. Yeah, the thunder is loud, but it's getting quite far offshore. Some of the strikes, not all of them, some of them are still close, but this one was over 5 kilometers from here. It's flashing above me at times, but I think that what the most activity is, it's a little north to me. There's slightly heavy rain left by the storm. And the angle is forming there, so that's why it produces probably most of the lightning. More than as the only place where it will be possible to stop near the shore. Whoa, whoa. There are like some undercrows probably. They are still flashing everywhere around. Starting in one place, going through the angle to the other.